Hey everyone, it's RoDev, and I'm back from vacation, and we're going to be starting a brand new series on the channel. And in this series, we're just going to be creating a game. So it's not really a tutorial, but you can definitely follow along if you want to. And basically, in this series, we're going to be creating a simple game where you're gonna have like your own area, and basically you can go out, collect stuff, come back. It's gonna be a pretty cool idea, or a game, and the idea is actually pretty simple. I wouldn't say pretty cool, but yeah, it's gonna be a simple game. We're gonna make it in a series. So guys, for the first episode, what we're gonna be doing is just setting up the leader stats and the data store, so all of the players' data saves. So for this, what I'm gonna be doing is going actually I have it already made, and inside the server script service, I can see I have something called client data, and basically it's just data store key. It's 1, 2, 3. It's whatever. This folder is going to be the leader stats folder. It's going to be cloning it into every player, and right here is like the script, so you can obviously follow along if you want. I just made this like pretty quickly. Basically just saves your data and like clones this into every player when they join. And basically what I'm going to be doing in here is creating like an int value, and we can name this value something. So we need to create our like stat names. Basically how the game is going to work is we're going to have an area here where the player can, that's their spawn, that's their little area, and what they're going to have there is a small like container kind of like this, and in there they're going to have like a pet or a circle of some kind, or a sphere. And basically inside this container, the sphere is going to be it's going to start off pretty small, so I'm just gonna quickly just make like an example for you guys. So it's gonna start off like pretty small in here, and then as you do stuff, you go around the map, you collect stuff, and you bring it back. You can use that to upgrade the sphere's size, and that's basically just your levels. We'll create a name for it later, obviously, but this is basically just gonna be your levels, and it's gonna get bigger and bigger on the spot like this. And then at a certain point, it's gonna make like a really satisfying pop sound, disappear, and then it's gonna go all the way back down to like a really small size, and you have to go back out, grab more stuff, and upgrade it. And we're gonna have things like upgraders, rebirths. Maybe you can do like an obby to have like 2x speed, 2x upgrade. When you collect stuff, it's also double, like that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's basically how the game's gonna work. So I don't know about names for leader stats, but right now I'm just gonna call it something simple, like let's call, when you go out and grab stuff, let's just call that like stat 1 for now. What I do need you guys to do is go ahead and go to the comments actually, and comment name ideas for the stats. So now you guys have a feel for what the game's gonna be like, and you guys to comment names for the stats. So what are the things you go out and collect, and then what is like the main stat? I'm just gonna be calling like coins for now, but you guys can obviously go to the comments and change it. But now if I join the game, as you can see, I have a stat 1 and like coins. So I'm actually gonna publish the game real quick so we can actually save the data. I'm gonna be calling this whole series game. Might change it later, but yeah, that's gonna be the name of the game for now. And I'm gonna go ahead and publish that, and as you guys can see, it is brand new, published. And I'm gonna go to game settings, security, and make sure I enable the access to API services. Now the data will save. I'm gonna hit play, and when we join, as you can see, stat 1 and coins are like there. Now if I go ahead and just quickly change, like say I want like 15 coins instead, 15, there we go. And then like for stat 1, so whatever we're gonna be going out and collecting, like 2, if I leave the game or stop it, it's gonna print them. Yeah, so it actually just lets you know that it saved them. And if I join back, I'm gonna have my data. That's basically how the data saving works. As you can see, I have it back, and yeah, that's basically how this whole game is gonna work. You're gonna come back, you're gonna be able to upgrade sphere, like whatever it's called. It can even be like different shapes, for different rebirth levels. You can have different shapes and stuff. But yeah, that's basically how the game's gonna work. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure again you comment stat name that you guys want it to be. But yeah, for the last time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.